Yo, you can't go through there. They have it blocked off for a reason. Oh, that was the cop. Was that a cop? Yo! Yo! Yo, that was a cop. Yeah, look at that. That accident. Actually, that would be the van's fault.
And doctorate in Christian leadership. Apparently, when she was still in high school, she started a non-profit, and she's currently the CEO of Proclaim Streetwear and.
If I wait, you almost stuck me in a box junction, and that was my lane.
Say that again? I what?
You cut that in my lane, and if I stop for you, you'd have left me in a box junction. You know what a box junction is?
I left you outside the box junction.
No, you didn't.
It doesn't mean you come and cut across.
Yeah, but you shouldn't come to my lane then.
It's not your lane, bruv. You're over the other side.
It's not. What do you mean?
It's your lane, bruv.
So wait,
So
bro,
hold on.
is this your lane or not? Is this your lane or
In
not?
my car, you'd have been in the wrong. You know that.
You are a joker, mate.
to get a license, mate.
Mate, how can you even say something? Think about it, bro. Think about it, bro. But if I go like this, right? If I go like this, who's in the wrong? And if I go like this right now, who's in the wrong?
Lane, innit?
Huh?
You're in your lane, innit?
What are you talking about? I'm gonna cut. So what? If I go right now, you need to learn to drive, bro, man.
Could I go scene again?
Been advised each member of the current Spade Squad, as he calls them, to stand and take a bow. Harold Lloyd.
Oh, it's a new car too.
You'd have to get right in front of me again.
Yeah, see that.
That just happened too. That Coca-Cola truck went up the fucking shoulder.
I saw him. He hit the guardrail too.
He damn near hit me.
Fucking idiot is what he is.
BFY54 Victor.
Pennsylvania Avenue for 3/4 of a mile.
What?
We haven't played Dairy
Sarah's still here?
in a long time.
Why? Just had a few follow-up questions about the investigation. You're such a bad liar. It's not 5 minutes ago.
Why did they stop it?